So you're doing something with this today?
I just want to clean this one up for good, just for whole time.
For lunch?
You want to make lunch?
Yeah, we'll make lunch with that.
Today?
Can we use that?
Yeah, we can, yeah.
Mike! Well, look what I bought for you today. You said you were going to... Perfect timing.
Cool.
You're going to fix it up for me. Yeah.
For eggs?
Yeah, for my eggs. Yo.
There's a difference. Okay, it's a really, really old pot, okay?
Looks like the moon.
Stunning, eh?
It looks like a full moon.
It does, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's how it looked when it started, eh?
Yeah, I know. I know. I know. I know.
There you go.
Yeah, it is. It's awesome.
Like moon, eh?
I didn't know you could do that with a drill.
Yeah, well, there we go.
So you can do 100 things with a panga. How many things can you do with a drill? Okay, maybe you don't have to answer that
Cool,
one.
right.
Okay.
Where's your lid?
There's my lid there.
Okay.
There's my lid.
Okay, let's have a look. So the last thing I want this thing, because
to
of
go
force,
flying.
Go flying.
Oh,
And then
great.
one of us
So
gets
this is
hurt.
actually quite a dangerous expedition.
No, I think anything that moves, any mechanical stuff that moves. There you go, that's pretty good.
And Mike, I also got to say, I love this ladder. I can't believe it becomes a table. Is that what it does meant to do, or is that what you made it do?
And strong enough when you're painting. Hop up, stand.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I didn't know ladders did that.
Yeah, clever ladder. Eh?
Gosh, the things I can learn from you.
And it
What?
packs away to nothing.
Huh?
It packs away to nothing.
Yeah, well, you can show me that
Yeah,
afterwards.
it really does. It packs into a thing that wide, this high,
No.
and off it goes. And I do displays with it.
Seriously?
Yeah, yeah. Where have you been, Josie?
I don't know, under a rock.
Josie? Goggles.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Well-
these, if a little piece comes off here, the worst is one of these little filings comes off. These wire bits
Yeah.
and pieces that
Yeah.
goes into your eye.
Yeah.
It's over. Eh? Chances of it happening? Slim,
It's over for your eye.
but it's over for your eye. Absolutely gone.
Okay.
Almost done.
Amazing. I feel bad because I think I've thrown rusty things away.
Quite cool, eh?
Yeah. Another
That's
moon.
what it started like.
Exactly.
So I'm going to take this off, eh?
I think that's a good idea. Yeah. So then I won't struggle with that balancing thing.
So, important thing,
Yes.
we're cutting metal.
Yes.
So you need to use a metal cutter. There's difference between metal and masonry and wood.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Because metal has to be strong.
Yeah, it's a whole different composition in the
But it's the
itself.
same equipment.
Well, the angle grind is the same.
The angle grind is the same. It's just the, what are those round thingies called? Discs.
Discs.
Oh, there you go. So now there's going to be lots of sparks.
A lot of
Love a good spark. What are we doing now? Sorry, where are we going?
So now we have to make a stove. So I need a stove that's going to cook for a while, but I don't want to tend to it and look after it and stuff. I'm going to take out a couple of straight ones. There we go. There you are. In fact, I'm just going to get some wire at my camping box. Yep.
I love these utility boxes.
And I keep it out here all the time, Josie. When you get camping, you can always give a quick brush off. I put a little cloth over there.
Oh, look at you.
Sorted there.
Nice. You're so organized.
little wire.
Yeah,
Check.
nice.
So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to, well, I've got one of these, so I'm going to use it as well.
What is that?
It's just a normal little tie-dye.
But are you going to burn that?
No, I'm not going to burn. I'm just going to help it just.
Okay,
just
I
pull the logs
understand.
together.
Okay, cool.
So I'm one person, so easy. And that's it.
Are you only one person?
One person.
What about your ego and all those other people?
No, that's all. Just one big person.
So what is this called?
This, I think, this is called a Norwegian stove.
A Norwegian
Yeah, I
stove.
think it originated somewhere in Norway, up in the cold lands, and yeah. Alright.
We must Google it and find out.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull these guys together.
Could call it the bondage stove.
Bondage.
I like a little bit of bondage.
So fun, eh? So this is a family show, eh? There you go, so it's holding there. Mm-hmm. This is really complicated stuff, this, eh? So there goes my wire.
I think somebody else has an angle grinder going.
Yeah, everybody's making Norwegian stoves today.
And then they're all cleaning their pots.
So instead of trying to twist the wire, you know when you twist the wire, and what happens? Snaps.
I don't know.
Yeah, it does, snaps.
Well, I don't know that. But
No, you know.
okay, I believe you. Hey, where's your panga, man?
No, we can't bang with a panga. So there we go.
Can't you bang with a panga? You can't bang a panga.
Can't bang with a panga.
disappointing.
And there you go. So done.
Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
then I'll set it up just now,
Okay.
and we'll get it going.
Okay, I'll see you now. Are we having a particular type of vegetarian curry?
It's I'm going to say roasted eggplant
Ooh.
with coconut.
Roasted eggplant.
Yeah.
So,
So we have to bake the eggplant.
in your Swiss Norwegian oven.
Well, it's a stove, but we're going to use the pointy pot as the oven.
Ah, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Josie, okay, we're pretty much done here. Let's take everything outside. Get that Swiss, what do you call it? Swedish stove going. And I'll show you what that's all about now.
Okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
Let's do it. Sorry, I can't help
Drop
you.
the tray.
I can't help you carry anything.
Yeah, my mom would be so proud of me now carrying a tray on my own.
Sweet.
Better make myself a little log tapperada thing. Mm-hmm. But they're done. Hey, Josie, check it. Pangas!
Yes, finally.
Okay, so literally, I just want to chop it off there.
Oh,
And done.
pretty easy.
And that can go. So there we go. Check it, Josie. Mm-hmm. So I basically got a chimney all the way through there.
Right.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some kindling together with my trusty old panga. You know what we're going to do? Because we're not cooking directly on the coals, as in meat and stuff like that, I'm going to cheat a little bit, but don't tell anybody. Yeah?
No, I won't, of course not.
I'm going to go and get a little piece of wax and newspaper.
You're making a little parcel of fire
Fire, yeah.
lighters.
Yeah. Like this. There. There. I'm just going to keep pushing this in. You see the chimney starting to work? Mm-hmm. Josie, do me a favour.
What?
Okay, there's not much flame coming out of the top of that. And how long do you reckon that's been going for now?
5 minutes?
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, starting high, come low, and just see at which stage you've got heat already, just for interest's sake.
Whoa, it's even already hot. Oh, oh yeah, no, you could so. That is boiling hot.
And that's great,
Yeah.
yeah. But the coolest thing, Josie, this is the coolest thing, is that without any other bits and pieces,
But now you're going to stop the air. Well, no, not really, I suppose.
and we're cooking. Oil. This is mostly your ginger and a little bit of garlic still in there.
My ginger.
Yeah,
Wow, that did heat up quickly.
yeah. Oh yes.
That fire is
No, it's real.
cooking.
And if it gets too hot, we can raise it.
Yeah, I love that.
In fact, it is too hot.
Do you need help?
I'm good.
Okay.
There we go. Good. Onions.
Yeah, I'm actually quite hungry.
The coconut milk. And there's the difference to doing in the pot there.
And look at that fire, it's still holding up pretty well. I just wanted to bring a panga with me because, you know, because I can. Yay. Thanks, guys.